Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade and Happy New Year everyone. And today I'm very excited and very happy and I want to thank you all for giving me this happiness. There is a saying in Hindi which says, "Boond boond se sagar bharta hai," which means drop by drop an ocean can be filled. And that's so true. Each one of you that supported me, each one of you have helped me grow my channel and have come to the mark of 1000 subscribers. Yes, I reached 1k subscribers, yippee! And I'm so thankful to each and every one of you who have encouraged me, supported me and helped me grow. And we grew together from 0 subscriber to 1k subscriber. I'm so very thankful, so very grateful to every one of you. And in order to show my happiness and my thankfulness, I thought I'll make some signs for you. You people have appreciated my hand lettering and my signs making skills. So I thought I'll make some for you. And these are free printables for everyone. There's no lucky draw, and I thought it would be nice if I can give this printables to every one of my subscribers. So there is no lottery here. Each one of you can get these printables. They are absolutely free to download and you can print them out in your own printers or any local printers. And honestly tell you my secret, what I use is an 8x10 picture frame. It has got a glass, it's got a backing, it's got a frame. Perfect. So I just take an A4 size paper, print out my signs or draw or make my sign, cut it to the size of 8x10 picture frame and just insert it, clip it and done. It's just as simple as that, and I can keep changing my signs in my home and change the decor in my home. So today I have got 5 free printable signs for you. These are something that can be used throughout the year for different seasons, occasions. It hopefully would fit every kind of style, every kind of decor wishes. These are in neutral colors, monochrome, so there should be no issue with the kind of printer or kind of ink that is being used, and it will be a very neutral, and yet you can decorate it with festive touches like adding a wreath or a ribbon or a bow or some florals to the sign picture frame, and you can use them. You can have 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, or all 5 of them, because they're all absolutely free just for you, because I want to say thank you. And these printables, I'll put a link in the description box below of this video, which will take you to my blog post from where you can get these printables. You can also let me know through the comment section below that which specific printable or all the printables you would like to have. What I necessarily need is your email address where I can send you the high resolution image. The printables will be in a JPG format and PDF format, and I'll send you a high resolution format so that you can print them out in a nice way on an 8x10 picture frame size. Now these can be scaled down for a smaller picture frame, but for a bigger picture frame it might split, but it fits perfectly for 8x10 picture frames. So in my blog post also, down below, if you scroll down the page, down below there's a discuss comment form section. There also you can add your comment and give me your email address and tell me which all printables would you like to have, or you can give me your email address and tell me what all printables you would like to have in the comment section below of this video, and I would send them across to you on your email addresses. This giveaway is open for 7 days only, so I hope you would like them the year round. I would really like it. If you at least have 1 of the printables, I would feel very nice about it. Thank you each one of you. Thank you everyone for helping me grow, and let's grow further. Let's grow more this coming year and the years to come. I have a lot in store, a lot planned out for this coming year and years ahead. So creativity has no bounds. Let us grow together. Have a lovely year and thank you so much.